What's going on, you guys? Down to the Street Muscle here, back with another video. Today is the day, finally. What you all been waiting for and what I've been waiting for. I'm finally getting the PCR chip installed on my car, and I'm going to see some differences today when we test it. So I don't know where I'm going to do it at, but I'm gonna find a private road somewhere and see if this thing guts after I get this thing installed. But first, once I get on a longer road, I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 before I install this get this thing installed, and we're gonna do like comparisons. I'm gonna do 0 to 60 without the chip, and then 0 to 60 with the chip, and see if it made it like any difference. So if it says it adds like 60 more horsepower, we're gonna see, because my 0 to 60 time, my time the last time was about what, 6 seconds, 6 or 5 seconds in this car. I believe, I don't know, I can't remember. It was like on a older video that I had, but yeah, it took me a while to get up to 60, but we'll see how this thing goes. Hopefully this thing actually works, and you know, hopefully I feel like a difference in this car. But right now I'm heading to my house, guys, and the guy that my dad told me about, he's gonna actually come over to the house. He's like a mobile mechanic dude, so, which is good because I don't have to drive to the shop or nothing. So he's gonna come over to the house, and he's gonna install this thing for me if he can. I'll show you guys his business card if you live in the area. But yeah, we'll see how he does. Catch you after I get to this road, so I can do the 0 to 60 pull on a full stock Kia Optima hybrid. And yeah, see you there. All right, guys, so we're gonna try to get a 0 to 60 pull right here. I don't know how this is gonna go, but wish me best of luck. Go. So that was my 0 to 60 pull right there. I couldn't really get into it like that because it's kind of wet outside, and this car has an electric motor in it, so I mean, I would have lost traction right there. But not too much traction, but I would have lost a little bit of traction, got a little wheel hop. But that's a 0 to 60 pull right there. I might try to do another one, a better one, because my car's kind of cold right now, and then I didn't really have time to let it warm up. So, but I might try to do one later on down the road. But yeah, it was my 0 to 60 pull right there. That was about what, 5 or 6 seconds right there. Pretty slow, but we have room for improvement. So yeah, at the next spot, if I do remember to do it, or if I'm allowed to do it without getting in any trouble. But we're gonna try this 0 to 60 pull somewhere if I find a spot, like I said. But yeah, till then. Alright, guys, so this is another spot I could probably get the 0 to 60 roll. The other light down there, if it turns red, I can probably get it. So let's see. Ah, gosh, I got a car behind me. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. So yeah, I'm not gonna get it. Somebody on my butt. Alright, guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it again at 0 to 60 roll, but because I all the rest of these roads, I mean, there's not even, the road I'm taking is like a back road. There's not even that many like stoplights on this road, which I like, but then again, it's not gonna work out for me in this 0 to 60 road. That was like the only area or only spot I could do it at. But yeah, I tried. This car right here in front of me, right here, act like he was in a rush or something, so I mean I had to hurry up and go. But I mean, that's life. But and the light also didn't turn red, so I couldn't even come to a full stop. I just had to roll right through, so there wasn't no 0 to 60 roll. 0 to 60 pull, whatever you want to call a roll, same thing to me. But actually, no, never mind. Take that back. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue, and my dad just texted me. He told me that he's waiting for the guy to call to come over and do the thing for me. So he said he might be at work. So until then, I'm probably going to put my mind on something else and get that over with and done. And by the time I'm finished, he'll call hopefully. So and once he comes over, I'm gonna start recording. So yeah, catch you at the house, guys. Alright guys, so I just got home. It was like a 30-minute drive from where I was and right now, so I'm gonna unload my car because I have my stuff with me, and I'm gonna wait for him to get here, wait for him to call and get here. As soon as he gets here, I'm gonna cut the camera on and let y'all know step by step. Hopefully he tells me step by step of what he's doing, so I can show you guys, and whoever's out there trying to do the same thing or wants to do the same thing, or whoever's interested in this, I'll make sure I'm gonna record it for y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna wait till he gets here. So till then, see you guys. Higher harness.
Into the high, okay. Well, he ain't got that on this thing yet.
Yeah, no,
Pop that hood, man. Show me. This thing is a hybrid and it got a battery bigger than the truck back there. Battery really high off. How much? Good God, I reckon. Boy, you better. Boy, what do you see with thing? You gotta unplug.
It shows. It says that you have to.
Hybrid, man.
You have to do something right here.
I know you ain't gotta do nothing. That's alternator down here. That's alternator over here.
That's where you install that.
Yeah, but you're not gonna get no 60 horsepower.
Within your reach of money, you want something fast? What? All right, get you a Tesla.
Oh,
that's
man.
all he's into.
That's like
Tesla.
No, I don't like Teslas. They're like 40. That's $40-something thousand going
I
down.
tell you what, this is a $40,000 car. Believe it or not.
Not anymore.
Well, we'll buy a brand new car.
You know what I mean?
Yes,
but a Tesla. Go on YouTube. They got this dude with a white Tesla. I don't remember what model it is, bro. Yo, this
Model
guy,
D, P100D or something like that. That's the fastest one they got.
I don't know if it's that or not, but if you go on YouTube, they got this guy with this white Tesla, bro, killing everything.
I know you're talking about.
He's got Mustangs and Novas.
It's gutted out too, right?
Yeah. This was killing everything.
Yeah, I saw it.
I mean, shit. But honestly, I don't believe in this chip. I mean,
it said it goes somewhere right here, though.
Buy with the horse.
Right here.
Do you know what that is?
No.
That is your crank sensor.
Thank you.
I don't.
He don't know the first thing about a car motor. He's no.
See, look right there.
No. Do you know what this is?
Where's that at?
This is your mass airflow sensor. Your map sensor. This is what this is.
I told this man that we talking about, man. Why do you think I called him?
All right. This is your map sensor. Your map sensor is part of this here, but you don't have that in here.
Yeah, because it's not a. It was a full motor thing, but it's not hybrid.
You see your map sensor. Let me show you something. This is your map sensor right here.
Oh yeah,
that's your map sensor. Okay. This is mass airflow sensor. That's what that is. It controls the ratio of air that comes from the motor. You know what I mean? And that also controls the fuel. So if your map sensor is not good, you're gonna get a cold. You're gonna get bad fuel mileage and things of that nature. You get bad idle and things like that. You know what I mean?
That don't gotta do it, because that's a hybrid, right? If it was a straight up motor without the doggone running off the battery, it was a straight up Optima, what is it, 2.4? Then you probably have that over there. But
please note, the mass airflow sensor I just showed you, right, is located with IAT, is usually found between the airbox and the intake. So my airbox, I showed you, it says you got my tube and the intake, right? So you got airbox and intake, and it's in between. That's how my truck is. See what I'm saying? You don't have a map sensor here.
Then we had a car
It's not on here. You know what I mean?
What's under this?
Oh, motor transmission. Yeah, absolutely. This guy go. That's your air filter. You don't have it.
He got a hybrid. He won't understand that unless you get the book to the car. It's in the goddamn glove compartment. They just told you that.
Yeah.
This thing runs part-time on the damn battery and part-time on this engine.
Most times it runs on the battery.
Yeah,
90% of the time it runs on the battery. When it runs on engine is when you're getting on it and it needs that extra fuel mixture to get it out, get going. So,
but all that thing runs on the battery.
Like my truck, I went to Pennsylvania to pick up my sister, and in my truck, dude, I got a 5.4 liter, and that thing
5.4 liters.
Yeah, 5.4.
You ate up some gas.
Surprisingly, yes. You remember my blue truck?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, so with my blue truck, my Silverado.
The one I mentioned over at the auto.
That one. So that truck, I would fill up at the Royal over there by 81.
Yeah.
And go all the way to New York, Long Island, New York.
Okay.
430 miles.
That ain't bad.
On one tank of gas, one way.
Okay, one way. Okay.
This truck, on the other hand, I go to Pennsylvania. I got to stop somewhere before then to fill up again.
To get there, yeah. Probably I come out of New York. I had a Lincoln Mark 8 at that 4.6 liter. And believe it or not, I can go all the way to New York. That's been the gas like $1 a gallon.
Right.
I can fill it up here, go all the way to New York, turn around from New York, come back down,
And start filling halfway back.
Yeah, always halfway back into the gas. Yeah.
Bad news, guys. Bad news. Bad news.
Give me a couple dollars, give me some old beer.
I told you, I asked you if he did card or not, because I only have money in my card.
Yeah,
Next time,
yeah, honestly, not for nothing. I don't mind doing the work because I like making money.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you,
fucking showing that battery down there. Pop that show.
oh, I know. I changed
the size of that damn thing, man.
I think $800 battery. I changed it before.
Same, man.
Hey, you know what's funny? The Prius. Yeah, what is it? Toyota Prius?
Yeah.
They have the same battery, and I changed it on that car. And when I tell you it's an $800 battery, it's no joke.
Did that one?
That's a secondary battery.
It's somewhere.
There's another one that takes the whole bottom of the car. It runs the entire system.
Yeah, it's probably under there.
Oh, what's that? Well, I guess this might not be like the. No.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the car, actually.
Yeah.
Under the middle.
Yeah, and it's just the size of this. I mean, it's a big battery. It's about
Yeah, it's
about
huge.
that long,
Mhm.
and it's probably about that wide.
Yeah.
Maybe about that deep. And I did one on Toyota Prius about 5 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And dude, I'm telling you, it was a nightmare to get out, one, and two, it cost to do $800, and the core alone is a couple $100.
And the bad part is they say hybrids don't last that long. Do they?
Nah, they're rated for about
150?
4 years, maybe
Yeah.
about 4 years. But I mean, the way I see it, you don't do any extras. You don't with any battery, you don't do anything extra, like put too many loads on it, a rocking system that's gonna always pull the gain down.
Don't worry about it.
You know what I mean? Things of that nature. Then you don't have to worry about changing the battery all that often. Like if you put you change this battery out,
Yeah.
see the secondary, you put an Optimum battery. The Optimum battery they say 3 to 5 years. I've had one for 10 years. All right, and it works as good as a brand new battery, and it's worth the money. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, so you need something done, you called him.
You put it away for the winter?
Yeah, I had it out the other day. I had to take it for a run. Been sitting so long for months, and I didn't want to get a fresh spot on the bottom on the tires.
Start it up.
I started
But
with
if you're not gonna drive it, my recommendation
Jack it
is
up.
jack it up. This is what I did with my car. All right.
Okay.
Jack it up, put it on jack stands. Before jack stands, take the rims off, put them away, and then take the thick, heavy-duty garbage bags.
Okay, put them around.
and wrap up your
the
brake system,
rotors and stuff like
so you don't get all
rust.
that rust and shit in there. If you're not gonna do it, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And that's, to me, that's the best thing that I did to my car.
Yeah.
And
But
don't put the jack towers on the black top. Get some.
You
get
got some
pieces of
boards or
wood.
something, and then put them on
Yeah,
there.
like the 2x6s.
Yeah.
Put them on 2x6s so it's on the wood.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
And-
Not the
and-
driveway. I
Right.
understand.
And disconnect the battery.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's the best thing you do for it if you're gonna let it sit for the rest of the winter.
Yeah, probably so. 'Cause I ain't from
Uh-huh.
Red Eye Challenger, 797 horse would come with.
Nice.
HB, it's got the different stock, Georgia stock. Okay, yeah. You got it everywhere, so you won't have to get him a thing to do it. Yeah. Anyway,
these are good cars. So
Man,
let me ask you, why are you recording?
YouTube.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel too?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, he got it. What's your thing?
Send me a link.
Dontel Street Muscle.
Down there, street muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got one of him doing his Hellcat with red eye. It's on there.
Okay.
Just pull it up, you find where he's at. There.
Go ahead.
Yeah, pull up, show it to him. But anyway, yeah, this is a nice car. It's luxury.
Yeah,
it
nice.
rides like a champ. Listen, man, listen. I mean, you know.
Y'all fixing this to subscribe?
Which one? What's on the Hellcat? What you did with the Hellcat, Dontel? Where's it at? Oh my God, thing. Where's that, Dontel? There it is. Watch this one here. Yeah. Watch this one here. It ain't wrong at all. Let's do it. Yeah. I can dig it. Hellcat hat. Can't see the doggone Hellcat. He was trying to show you the Hellcat on the hat.
Yeah, I see.
And he don't put the mic close enough. Can't have him.
Oh, because the mic is on the camera, so
Yeah. But they got an extension or something for it?
Honestly, I don't know.
Charger, Hellcat right now. Now Dodge, I don't know about y'all, but this might be the biggest secret ever held in history.
Hey, you up with Toll Guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
He inspired me to make a YouTube channel.
Nice.
Actually.
Yeah, I just started watching him.
Demonology too. He talks to him on the thing.
Who is it?
What's it?
All right, guys. So he just told me that the chip wouldn't work on this car because it's a hybrid, and he said it wouldn't do nothing. So yeah, that's it.
Like to play. That's my nickname.
Yeah.
Like to play?
Yeah.
That's your handle.
That's my handle. Yeah. Like to play.
Man, I appreciate you there. You know where I'm at now, man. I'll be at y'all by
Yeah, for sure, man. Hey, keep in touch, man.
All right.
Good seeing you.
You too.
Thanks,
All
man.
right. Good seeing you, man.
Appreciate it.
Kind of upset, but I mean, at least he told me the truth before we even tried to put it on. But I guess I'll have to wait to get a different car. I guess to try to do some mods or add some horsepower to it. But yeah, we paid the man for even coming over, and I appreciate it. Shout out to Felix. I don't know his last name, I forgot, but I'll put his number up here on the screen if you live in the area. Yeah, he seems like a good guy, and seems like he knows what he's talking about. So make sure you check him out. That I have. We have more content coming in soon. I might have to surprise you. I don't know what's gonna be next, but we'll find out what we're gonna run into. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't joined the journey, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, that's it for this video.